Good evening. Y30 TWS wireless Bluetooth earbuds are one of the most affordable Bluetooth earbuds on the market. So it just comes in this simple package. The earbuds and their charging case. User manual, if I can just take it out. And a micro USB charging cable. That is all. And we can make receive calls, answer and reject calls, music playback, selection, up, down, next or before, language switch. Let's remove this layer. I have been using this Bluetooth set about 1.5 months. The 450 milliamp hours charging box can charge both earbuds approximately 4.5 times, something like that. And with one full charge, these earbuds can last around 2.5 hours without listening non-stop music. The connection procedure is same to all computers or smartphones, but I would like to show it to you with a smartwatch. This is H11 Ultra upgrade, and there is also one newer version of this one which called as Hello Watch 2, which comes with thinner bezel. What is special about H11 Ultra upgrade and Hello Watch 2? These watches, this watch and the Hello Watch 2 are the only Apple Watch Ultra clones on the market that have 1 GB of music storage and Bluetooth earbud connection, which means you can listen music from your storage on your watch through your Bluetooth earbuds without needing your smartphone. So let's press the action button. I just applied the music task to this action button. You can also find the link of this watch in the description. I already made a few detailed review videos also for this watch. Now we need to take out the right one, first and left one. Now they are in binding mode. Actually, they already bind. When you want to bind your earbuds, you need to go to music page, choose the Bluetooth icon, tap, click, search device, available devices. At the moment, this is the only available device and it is connected. So if you click disconnect, after reconnecting, we can just go back to music page and let's hear how they sound. $2.5 Bluetooth earbuds. I'm going to bring them closer to the microphones. I paused the music by mistake. See? Touch control works awesome. Let's try again. Yes. For $2.5, these are the best Bluetooth earbuds. Awesome. So, if you would like to get for yourself. You may find the link in the description. You may also find the H11 Ultra upgrade Apple Watch Ultra clone links in the description. Insane.